Okay, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on Davinci Resolve 16. So I'm going to try and describe this as clear as possible, and we'll get into this right away. So first of all, you want to open the clip and click on Edit right here. Now next up, click on Inspector, which you can find at the top right corner. And then next up, you'll find Zoom and Position. Now you want to click on the diamond icon right there and right there. And next up, you can actually click on this icon right here. I'll ask my editor to zoom in on this. So click right there, and you can then select a timestamp from where you want to zoom in on that part of the video. So right there, I can actually move this. So let me just do that. So if I then drag this over here and match it with the diamond right there, I can then zoom in. So for that, you want to click on zoom and then drag this over to the right. So basically slide to the right with your mouse, and then you'll see that I'll start zooming in. Okay, just like that. Now if I go back, you'll see that all of this is now zoomed in, right? Which is probably not what you're looking to do. So if you're looking to zoom in from, let's say, only this part of the video, once again, you want to click on the diamond icon, just like that. Then next up, drag this over to where you want to start the zoom, or let's say that you want to zoom from this part till that part. You then select this part right there first, right? So let's just see. Right now, this is the frame. Let's say that you want to zoom in right there. You then once again select that timestamp. So click on that diamond and then drag this over to the right, and you'll see that if I drag this over here, you can see that it's going to zoom in. I'll let this play right now so that you guys can see what that actually looks like. And there you go. So that's how you can zoom in on Davinci Resolve 16. If this tutorial went too fast, I recommend watching this again or watching it in slow motion. But if this video helped you out, leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.